Okay, you're going to want to open a new document. I use Corel Draw, but you can probably use pretty much any graphics program. I import my SVG of the wheel template. I group it, center it to the page, and then you're going to want to open up your whatever graphic you created as an SVG. It can be any vector-based image. Mine happens to be an SVG, but it could be a PNG, anything vector-based. So you'll see as I stretch it, you can see the lines, and that tells you it's vector. It's not a bitmap or a JPEG. I center it on the wheel. I size it to the size I want it. You don't have to worry about the colors or anything like that right now. You're just getting the graphics on there. So it's centered on the wheel. I grab the template, and then I grab the image, and then I intersect with the intersect button. I pull off the intersected pieces, and all that's done is trimmed it to match my wheel template. I make sure it's all cut right, which it is. I take that piece and I center it over the wheel pieces. I ungroup everything, so everything is an individual piece. Making sure just to grab the pieces within that quarter of the wheel, pull them out of the way. And this is the tricky part. You're going to want to make everything as simple as possible. So each node that creates each image has to be simplified. So I highlight it, I grab the nodes, and I make sure they're curved by hitting the curved button. Grab each node, curve, grab the blue nodes, curve, and you even want to do it with the wheel pieces and curve. For whatever reason, if you don't do this, it doesn't transfer well to Bambu Slicer, and it doesn't like to cooperate. And even this way, I get pieces that come back with big, strange squares in it, but this seems to be the most foolproof way. So each and every image that I'm going to be exporting as an SVG has been changed to its all curves. So now I grab all of the pieces to that quarter. Actually, I'm going to start at this one because I number them 1, 2, 3, and 4. Top left is 1, top right is 2, etc. And I did this one wrong, but I'm new to this and didn't know how to edit it out, so we're going to just bear with me because I'm going to re-export that piece and name it. I didn't name it in this one. Going to try it again. We're going to grab all of the pieces to that quarter, export, name it. I'm making this one Wheel Good Logo 1, and export. Make sure it's set to export as an SVG. These are the settings that I use that seem to work really well. Okay. I grab the second quarter, file, export, making sure that it's set up to only export the selected, and it's save type as SVG. Change that to Make Good Wheel 2, and export. Settings should still be the same. Gonna export wheel piece 3. And the final piece, wheel piece 4. And now that's all 4 wheel pieces. You've exported them, just they'll be ready next time you're ready to bring them into your slicer to bring in with your wheels. It's another video on how to bring them in and merge them with your wheels. I use a file I call Wheels for Customizing, and I just save that. It's a blank wheel, and I open that, add my images, and then save it as that wheel, and then my blank image is still there for next use. I use the same image each time. Thanks.